Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, the best channel for all activists who are making the first steps in business. Today we are going to talk about this imposter syndrome and do you have what it takes. After every single video I'm gonna give you concrete steps that you can implement to move the needle in your business and move forward. So basically many people who are just starting, they are consumed by massive imposter syndrome, and I used to be one of them. Basically you might think that okay, I'm not going to do anything because the industry is too saturated, like it literally doesn't have space for me. You might think that there is the only place for one guru in your niche and only one person can make it, so there's literally no point for even trying. You might think that there can be only one success story like in your niche, like only one person who is like very, very successful, and you might think that what you like to say and what you want to contribute is irrelevant. But I'm gonna tell you, like, people are not actually listening to you because of you. People are listening to you and they are relating to you and they're following you because they want to see representation of themselves. They want to see somebody who they can relate to, who can fix their problems. So please don't take it so personally because it's very likely not about you, okay? Gurus want people to follow to the teeth their religion and their brand. So that's why I'm suggesting all of my introverts and all of my activist friends to be a contributor instead of being guru. Please take some time and do some notes, do some journaling, write down why not me. It actually can give you a lot of very interesting answers. Like for example, for me, when I did this exercise, it came up because English is my not first language, you know, because people can laugh at my accent, my Polish accent, because I don't have the certificates that I need, and there it comes procrasti learning, when you literally learning more than you taking the actions. Write down as well, I'm not ready, because literally shows you things that you need to make to be more confident. And I'm gonna tell you from my experience that if you are not ashamed of your first things, it means you started too late. When I'm looking back, like on my first videos, and when I'm looking back on the things I did, I'm like, what the hell, woman? But it's very good. It means I started in the right time, and only when you start you can progress somehow. You can get better. You cannot get better when you sit in your home and do nothing at all. So please start. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like it, please share it and click the subscribe button. And as always, I see you in another fascinating video. Bye.